Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Jonesy from Chapter 2. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this new Jonesy from Chapter 2. So we're going to start out with his eyes first. So we're just going to draw in two lines on top, and then just kind of slant the corners down. And then from there, I'm going to draw in the eyeball right underneath. Just kind of like a half circle. And I'm just going to shade it in, and I'll leave a little bit of a highlight. And then from there, we'll add in the eyebrow. So right over the eye, just kind of slant. Just a small slant going up. Okay, and then once you have that on the corner here, just go up. And then slant it up a little bit more, and then come down and just close it off. Okay, so go up right here, up a little bit higher. Okay, and then for his nose, just right from the corner of the eye, just come down, you make two little marks. Just close it off with a little angle. And then for his mouth, just come down. I'll just give him a little bit smile. And then for his lower lip, just a shorter line. Okay, so now we can draw in the side of the face. So right across from the eye, just come out. Draw like two little brackets first. Just come down right about the mouth area. And then from here, we'll finish up the jaw. Just come down. A nice big chin on the bottom. And then let's just go ahead and finish up his ear, because it's right here on the side. Okay, and then now we're going to draw in the hairline. So this one's going to go in a little bit more. Let's go in toward the face. You can come back to the center here. I'm just going to add in just a little zigzag. Doesn't have to be exactly like that, but as long as you have some of these little strands. And then from here, just go ahead and connect those. And then now to finish up the top, so we just go all the way up from the sides. And then just round it off. And if you want to add in a little bit more detail to the hair, we can extend this line. Let's draw like a little angle like this. Add some lines in here to give it some flow to the hair. Okay, so now we can draw in the rest of the body. So for his neck, just come down right here, nice and wide. And then for this one, we'll close it off with a curve. And then right here, come down toward the center. He's got really big collar. And then go back up here. We'll slant it down. And then we'll connect this back to this point again. Okay, so that's his collar. And then now we can draw in his shoulders. So right from here, just go across, nice and wide. And then we're going to pinch it all the way down to his waist. And we'll close it off. This is going to be the top of his belt. And then for his belt, we'll just add in one rectangle on the bottom. And then for the belt buckle, in the center here, just add two lines. And then one little rectangle on top and bottom. Alright, so let's go ahead and finish up the detail inside. He's got two straps right here. So here's his armpit right here. So start here and just go out toward the armpit. So this one's gonna be, well, it's a little bit off, but okay. And then it's got one big stripe across the body here. So I'm gonna start right here. Just gonna follow the slant here, just go straight across. And then on the bottom, same thing. And we can add in maybe just 2 lines here for the buckle. Okay, and then for the zipper in the center, just go straight down. And let's see, let's just go ahead and add in a little rectangle right here for his pocket. Okay, and then on the side of his belt here, looks like he's got some shells. So I'm just gonna add in 2 lines like this, and then in the middle, come straight across. Okay, so now let's draw in his arms. So again, here's his armpit. Shoulder here, come down. His bicep, little bracket. Here's his elbow. Flare this out. And we can actually close this off first. Okay, so on this side here, curve. So right around here, past the belt. This one is almost straight down, and then we'll close that off. And then for his fist, just a little hook. Back of the fist here, and just turn it and close it. And let's see, let's just go ahead and finish up the arm right here. So add 1 more line here. This is gonna be his sleeves kind of rolled up. And then on the inside, it's got another shirt, so we're gonna add 1 more line here. Alright, so pretty much the same on the other side. So here's his armpit. Coming down, shoulders, and then right here, bicep, bracket. Here's the elbow. Same thing here, we'll flare this out. Close that off first, and use the other side for reference. So you can get kind of the same arm length. Curve down, straight down, and close it off. His fist, this little hook, back of the fist, turn it and close. And then same thing here. 1 line here and 1 more here. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the upper body. Now for his legs, so we're gonna come down right in the center. Draw 1 little line, go back to the center. I'm gonna add 1 little extra fold here. Start back out here, come down, angle in. Inside here, come down, angle in, and then just close it off. And we'll add in 1 square right here for the knee pads. Alright, so up here, coming down, angle, come back here, same thing, angle, close it off, and then same thing here, just 1 square. Okay, so let's add in some details up here, and then we'll move down to the to his legs, his lower legs. So right here is actually part of his jacket right here. So I'm gonna add 1 more line. On the side here, he's got a little pouch. So this one's easy, just a little bracket. And then for the strap, start here, curve into the body. And then 1 more on the bottom, 1 more strap. And then for the pocket right here, here's the flap. Alright, so now let's move on to the lower legs. So his boots a little bit higher for this version. So we'll flare out, and then we'll just close it off. Taper in, close it off with a curve, and then here's the foot. Just come down, dome shape. Just come out a little bit more. Actually running out of paper space here. So come across, and then same thing here, just 1 line across. Okay, so same thing on this side. So we'll flare out. close it off and taper it in. Close it off, and then here's the dome shape coming down. Just come out a little bit more on this side. Okay, for the details for the boot here, it's got a bunch of straps, but I'm just gonna add one here on each side. We'll simplify it. And then right here, there's angle all the way down behind the strap. So from the side, just come in, go all the way down. Okay, so just come in and go down, just make sure you draw it behind the strap. And that is it for this new Jonesy from Chapter 2. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.